TS Inter first year Max 1B question paper IP May 2021. Hello friends, important. I am Vamsi Krishna. Welcome to my channel. So today I am going to tell about the most and very important paper, Max 1B. Max 1B paper, the evergreen most important paper in intermediate first year of TS Inter first year, Max 1B question paper May 2021. Important. What are the important questions may appear in the public examinations? What are the important questions may come in the public examination? What kind of questions in which the students need to prepare perfectly? What kind of questions? What kind of problems and what kind of chapters in weightage of marks in which the students need to prepare? The thing, my dear friends, I suggest is the only one point, the most important point is each and every student. I suggest all the students to watch the video completely first. You just completely watch the video because Max 1B paper is very important where every student can get 100 out of 100 marks. To get 100 out of 100 marks, every student need to watch the video completely without leaving this video. And the most important point I want to say is, if you want to know more important questions, of this Max 1B of TS Inter first year regarding May 2021, in the description below of this video, you can find the important problems, very important problems, the weightage of marks, what kind of topics in each and every student first need to prepare, from which topic the problems will come. The problems may come in the public examinations. What kind of problems may appear in the public exam? Students can easily find the information as well as the details. Now in this video, I am going to discuss some most important questions, my dear friends, regarding Max 1B paper. The first and is the foremost important topics here I am going to cover, that is going to be the locus, the first topic. The second one is the transformation of axis. The transformation of axis is very important. The locus, transformation, the straight lines. Max 1B paper, in Max 1B, the high weightage of marks and knowledge and a good marks in which any student, might be a below average student and average student also, can get 100 out of 100, 75 out of 75 marks in the public examinations. The straight lines unit is one of the important topic in Max 1B paper. In mathematics 1B paper, straight lines is one of the important concepts. Now in this, let us discuss the most important question that's going to be in straight lines. Find the equation of locus of point which is at a distance of 5 from the point, that's going to be capital A of 4 comma minus 3. One of the important question in the locus unit. Locus, straight lines, transformation of axis, very important topics. If you want to know the more important topics regarding Max 1B, in the description below of this video, once again, in the description below of this video, you can find easily the important topics, important questions, important weightage of questions where you can find regarding first year Max 1B paper in the description below of this video. Now the second one is find the value of x. Find the value of x in the slope of the line. So the first, the straight lines, one of the important question where I want to discuss. Where I want to discuss is find the value of x if the slope of the line passing through a particular point, passing through a particular 2 points is 2. Is 2. What is the question, sir? Here the question, find the value of x. You need to find the value of x. If you want to find the value of x, in the slope of that particular line, in the slope of that particular line, there is a line. In that particular line, whatever the line is there, that particular line is passing through 2 points. That particular line is passing through 2 points. You need to first, student should be able to understand the question, my dear friends. If student is able to understand the meaning of the problem, the meaning of the question and the concept of the problem is very, very important. If the students are able to understand the meaning as well as the concept, what question has been given, and what is the concept, what is the meaning, what we need to find the value, what we need to know that, what is a slope, what is a line, what are the points, students should be able to understand first. In the straight lines, one of the most important chapter, in the straight lines, if you understand slope, point as well as the line, there is a line. In that line, there are some points. Points, slope, line, straight lines. Straight line. What is a straight line? What is the definition of a straight line? That is very, very important. The only the thing is, my dear friends, here the question, whatever the question is being given, you are seeing, you are watching in the question, that first practice, understand the question, practice well. Here the once again, find the value of x. You need to find the value of some term. Some term is there. What is that? Find the value of x. If the slope of that particular line, there is a slope, there is a line, that particular line is passing through the 2 points. One is the first point, one is the second point. That's going to be 2. That means whatever he is given, you can check it down here. Whatever the question he has been getting, whatever the question you are watching, you need to understand first. Here, the one line is passing. One line is passing. Here you can see. For example, you see here, I will tell you correctly. First, you need to find x value here. You need to find perfectly x value. You need to find x value first. There are 2 points. What are those 2 points? 2, 5 and x, 3. These 2 points have been given. And one line is passing and the slope is also given. What is the slope? Students should be able to understand. What you have to find? What is the value of x? There are 2 points. There is a slope is given. The slope of that particular line is passing through 2, 5 and x, 3. The slope of the line, this particular line is passing through 2 points. Now we want to find the value of x. Like that, student should be able to understand. Now there is a formula here, you can easily, what is the slope of 2 points formula? x1, y1, x2, y2. This is first point, this is second point. What is the slope of 2 points formula? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus y2 minus y1 by x2 minus y1. Very easy, friends. If students are able to understand and practice well, the secret success of getting good marks and success 100 out of 100. Understanding the question, understanding the problem, understanding the chapter, whole chapter, each and every problem. Continuous practice in a notebook is only the secret solution, the best solution to get 100 out of 100 to any student, below average and average student. Here x1, y1, x2, y1. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Here let us consider 2, 5. x1, y1 and x, 3 is x2, y2. Now let us consider what is x1, 2, what is y1, 5, what is x2, x, what is y2, 3. According to the slope of two lines formula, what is the formula? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Now according to this formula of slope of two lines formula, y2 minus y1 by what is x2 is x minus x2 minus x1. That's it. And what is the slope has been given already? 2. What you need to find? You need to find x value. Simple definition, simple way. And according to this, 3 minus 5 is minus 2 by x minus 2 is equals to 2. I will be telling you here, no problem. So that you can see clearly in this board, you have to find the value of x. You know the slope of two lines formula. y2 minus y1 by x minus. It is very easy. It's not at all difficult. Now here if you see, 3 minus 5 by capital X minus 2 is equals to 2. This is the slope. This is the slope. This is the perfect slope. 3 minus 5 is minus 2 by capital X minus 2 is equals to 2. Now minus 2 is equals to 2 into capital X minus 2. Now this is going to be minus 2 is equals to 2x minus 2 2s are 4. Now this is going to be, bring minus 2 this side or minus 4 this side. Minus 2 plus 4 is equals to 2x. Then what is minus 2 plus 4 is nothing but 2 is equals to 2x. Then what is x is equals to 2 by 2 is nothing but 1. That's it. You have found out the value of x. The question is, you need to find the value of some particular time, in particular term, or x or y or z or a, b, c. There are 2 points have been given. One of the particular line is passing through the 2 points and the slope is given. You need to find the value of x. So 2 points are given and the straight line passing through the 2 points. The slope, one slope is given, the 2 points are given and the line is passing. That means the slope is given means what? 2 points are there, slope is there. Then slope of the line is the formula is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. You apply these two, the particular formula for these 2 points. Definitely you can get the value because already the slope is given. In some problems you need to find the slope value. So like that student should be able to understand the meaning and the concept of the question, very important. If you understand in this way, it is very easy and the practice 2-3 times or 4-5 times or 10 times if you practice each and every problem or the sum by understanding 100 out of 100, 75 out of 75 is that is, it's very easy to get in the public examinations without any doubt. It is very easy to get 100 out of 100 in the public examinations without any doubt. So finally, if you want to know more details regarding Maths 1B paper, in the description below this video, you can find the information of all the details regarding Maths 1B important questions. So finally, TS Inter first year Maths 1B question paper IPE May 2021 important. You can find in the description below. So if you like my video, please try to subscribe my channel, click on bell icon so that you will get my updated next videos. Thank you so much.